So are you also running a real estate agency and do you also want to automate property management? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to create an AI assistant for property management in real estate. So I'm also running a real estate agency and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent. And now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using this AI agent. And if you also want to see the proper working of this AI agent, and if you also want to create this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that, you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to create an AI assistant. Alright, so let's move on further and create this AI assistant. But before we create this, first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI assistant. For that I'm just going to message them on WhatsApp, hey I need help. So I'm just going to simply type hey I need help and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, an automated reply will be generated. Absolutely, what do you need help with? So let's say I'm just going to type I want a property near metro station, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically it is going to share me the property details, which is near station. So as you can see, we have a rental property near metro station and the property details. But let's say I'm just going to say I want to purchase it, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically my AI assistant is going to reply is currently available for rent, not for purchase. Alright, so let's move on further. Now let's ask them what is the minimum lease period, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, an automated reply will be generated. The minimum lease period for properties is typically 12 months unless specified otherwise. So as you can see that within seconds and in real time, this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot is solving all my user queries, that too without any manual intervention. So how are we going to create that? For that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm just going to simply look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow and open it right over here. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here our Independence Day sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Chatflow, today is a great day. Alright, but before we create this AI assistant, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, solutions, workflow tips and doubts. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance because we have experts in this. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to move in further. I'm just going to go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow. And now in order to create an AI assistant, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So to add the WhatsApp number, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button, and over here two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added this WhatsApp number, so I can move on further. Over here I'm just going to go towards this left end of the side of Pabbly Chatflow, and as you can see all the tools and applications, or you can say all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. Features is the correct word, right? So as you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Pabbly Chatflow on this left hand of the site. So yes, if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. But today this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm directly going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And as you can see, total AI assistants, the active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant right over here. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply click on this add AI assistant button to create the new one. And now I'm just going to simply name my AI assistant as AI assistant for property management and click on this add AI assistant button. And a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now we simply have to give the instructions. So you can give instructions in two types. You can either enter a custom prompt or select some pre-built examples. So if you want to give a custom prompt, you can simply select this instruction, type as custom prompt and give the custom prompt. Otherwise, we have some pre-built examples. You can use one of this. I'm just going to use this AI agent right over here. And as you can see, instructions are already filled in. If you wish, you can definitely add or deduct some instructions right from here. And now after entering these instructions, I'm just going to move on further and it is asking me for the temperature. So over here, you have to set how creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you want that AI answers should be more creative, you have to take this temperature towards 1, and if you want the answers to be more focused, you have to take this temperature towards 0. So I'm just going to keep it as 0.2 because I want focused answers. Now for the AI to use, I'm just going to simply select open AI. I'm just going to select the desired model and now I'm just going to simply enter the API key. But you must be wondering from where we're just going to get this API key. So to get this API key, we simply have to open OpenAI API key page. And after opening this page, you simply have to go towards this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key. And your key will be created. And you simply have to copy this key and paste it right over here in your workflow. And after pasting this key, you simply have to click on this button which says connect. And once you click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for the assistant settings. So if you want to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch it on right from here and add the message. I'm just going to keep it as off. And now the next one is this top keywords. You can simply switch it on right from here, and over here you're going to simply enter the keywords in order to stop the AI assistant. What you have to do is you simply have to type the keyword and then press enter, and automatically the keyword will be added. And let's say that the AI is chatting with your user and your user wants a human chat, or your user wants someone human to chat with. So what you can do is you can simply add a stop keyword of human, and whenever your user is going to type human, automatically the AI assistant will stop right over there. The chat is going to be moved towards the intervene section which requires further a human review. Alright, so if you wish, you can definitely add this stop keyword. The next is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. You can simply enter the range between 1 to 0. And the next is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding. So let's say I'm just going to simply add the support email address of my company when this AI assistant API key is not responding, so that my user can contact me on email if there's an emergency. So as you can see, that I've simply entered the fallback message, and now I'm just going to move on further for the knowledge source. So yes, you must be wondering how my AI assistant is solving all the user queries with the accurate information, and how this AI assistant got the information about my own company and the properties I'm just going to offer. So what I've done is I've simply created a knowledge base and I've uploaded this knowledge base right over here in my AI assistant. So you must be wondering how we're just going to add this knowledge source in our AI assistant. So you simply have to write down your knowledge source on a Google Doc like this. And after doing this, you simply have to go towards this file and then download, and you can download this knowledge source in PDF or TXT format, because only both of these formats are accepted in order to upload the knowledge base. Over here you're going to see in the help text it has clearly mentioned the size, the accepted formats, which is TXT or PDF. So over here, as you can see, the TXT format is preferred because PDF doesn't have the page limits if it is a text PDF, but if it is an image PDF, the limit is up to 10 pages. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further and upload my knowledge source. For that, I'm just going to simply go towards choose a file, go towards downloads, and over going to see that this is my knowledge source, so I'm simply going to upload it. So this is in TXT format, and as you can see that I've successfully uploaded my knowledge source, and now I'm just going to move on further towards this AI interface. And now I'm just going to simply add the heading right over here, which is my brand name. And as you can see, it is going to change right over here too. Now for the subheading, I'm just going to keep it as same only for the initial message. If you wish, you can definitely type the initial message, press enter to add the initial message right over here. You can add up to 2 initial messages. I'm just going to keep it as same only. It is saying powered by Pabbly labels. If you want to enable it, you can simply enable or disable it right from here, and it will appear or disappear right from here. And now for the footer text, if you wish, you can definitely update this footer text and footer link too. And the next is this user first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm just going to simply keep it as hey, I need help. And now I'm just going to move on further towards the next, which is styling. What you can do is you can simply change and update fonts, colors, shapes and sizes too. So yes, you can simply upload the image, or you can simply update the background color and much more from here. Not only this, you can also update the theme too right from here in this styling section. I'm just going to keep it as same only and move on further. So yes, now after styling this, we have successfully completed our AI assistant, and now I'm just going to simply save it. And in order to save this, I'm just going to simply switch it on right from here and click on this save AI assistant. And as you can see, AI assistant saved successfully, and now it is ready to run in real time. But let's say I'm just going to add this AI assistant on my website. How I'm just going to do it? For that, you simply have to go towards this embedded, and over here is the script. Using this script, you can simply add this AI assistant on your website too. Not only this, let's say I'm just going to simply assign this AI assistant to a particular chat. So to do this, I'm just going to simply open the inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow in a new tab, and I'm just going to simply assign this AI assistant to a chat. For that, I'm just going to simply open the inbox section, and I'm just going to assign this AI assistant to this chat. For that, I'm just going to click on this choose AI assistant, and I'm just going to simply assign this AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this user is going to send a message, automatic reply will be generated from AI assistant only. But let's say you have multiple people to whom you want to assign this AI assistant, and entering or assigning them manually is a tedious task. So what you can do is you can simply go towards the settings of Pabbly Chatflow and then go towards this inbox settings. And after opening this inbox settings, you simply have to scroll, and over here is enable auto AI replies. So what you can do is you can simply switch it on right from here, and once you switch it on, you simply have to select the contact list for which you want to automatically assign this AI assistant. And after selecting the contact list, you simply have to select the AI assistant too from here. And what you can do is you can simply create a contact list by going towards this contact section, and you can simply assign a particular AI assistant to multiple contacts at once by simply doing this settings, and then you simply have to click on this save. And as you can see, inbox settings saved successfully. Alright, now I'm just going to simply test this AI assistant in real time. For that, I'm just going to simply clear the previous chat and start fresh. Let's say once again, I'm just going to type hey, I need help, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And this time over here, I'm just going to ask them about some another property. Let's say I'm just going to ask them about the property near international school. So let's say I'm just going to simply open my WhatsApp and type near international school, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, yes, you can see within seconds and in real time, my AI assistant is going to show me the property near the international school. Let's say I'm just going to ask some FAQs. I'm just going to simply ask about how do I schedule the property visit. So I'm just going to simply ask them how do I schedule a property viewing or visit. So I'm just going to simply send them this message, and automated reply will be generated. As you can see, the reply is generated, and this reply is exactly the same which we have right over here in our knowledge base. Let's say I'm just going to ask one more question. I'm just going to simply send them this question, and yes, for this question too, the reply will be generated without any manual intervention. So as you can see, the reply is generated, and with this we have successfully completed our AI assistant. And now whenever my user is going to send any message or any query, automatically this AI assistant is going to solve all my user queries without any manual intervention. So yes, now go try this amazing AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.